Right, guys, you're all welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how if PayPal temporarily limit your account, this is the way you can go about it. If your account have been limited by PayPal temporarily, this is how you can go and solve the problem. And it is very easy for you to just get it lifted and go over and do it exactly the way I will do it. So it's very easy for you to do. As you can see, I'm already on my dashboard. I have logged in my account on PayPal. So all I have to do now is to go over and then I'm going over to click on, you can see where it says we have noticed, you can see where it says, you can see it says we have noticed that you have been using your account in a questionable manner. To understand this better, we need more information from you. Please provide the requested information to regain full access. So one of the reasons why they may limit your account is if they found out that maybe someone sent you money through illegal means, or maybe through a way that is not covered by their portal or by their system. So they can decide to limit your account temporarily, just to confirm that you are using your account in a good manner. So if you want to ask anybody to send you money, ask them to send you money through family and friends. This is the mistake that some people make, and I believe is one of the reasons why this account was temporarily limited. If you want someone to send you money to your PayPal account, let the person know that they have to send it through family and friends. Because if they go and send it through goods and services, PayPal might require tracking informations, and if those tracking informations are not provided, they can decide to limit your account. So that is just a tip of advice. So for me, I am going to teach you how you can just go ahead uh, and then solve the account limitation. So all we have to do is to go over to this place that says, you can see where it says see details. So all you have to do is to go over and then click on see details. So you can be able to see the reason why your account was limited. So let's go over and then we wait for them to wait for the details. Alright guys, as you can see, it says a temporary limitation has been placed on your account. We have noticed that you have been using your PayPal account in a questionable manner. To better understand this, we need some information from you to help keep your account secure. We have also limited certain features in your account. You will be able to regain access to these features once you have provided the information we have requested. Account impact. He said, based on this decision, if applicable, you are no longer eligible for seller protection. As per our user agreement, we will apply to all existing and future cases you receive. So it says we will start our review after you have completed all the below required tasks. So they are going to start their review once you upload all these required tasks. So their review will start properly. So firstly, we are going to look at how we are going to upload the photo ID. So that is the first step. So after the photo ID, we can go over and then provide more information on the transaction and then submit uh, our bank statement, and last we provide our business informations. So it's just as simple as that. So I'll go over and click on upload for a photo ID. So I'll click on upload a photo ID. So now it says upload a photo ID. So you can see document type. You select the document type, click on document type. So and then you select, you can decide to use passport. Passport works best. If you have a passport, you can use driver's license as well. You can use. Then for me, I have official government issued ID. And at this juncture, you have to know that you can use your if you have your NIN plastic ID card, that works well. It doesn't matter if the account you open is your country PayPal account or not. Even though you open another country PayPal account, you can use your country government issued ID to verify it. As far as it is a plastic ID card, then it will be accepted. So click on official government issued ID card. So you select that, then you click on, you can see you can add it as a JPG file, you can add it a GIF, PNG or PDF. For me, I'm going to use a PDF. I think that's best for me. Now I click on add. So you click on add and you then you click on only this time. Then you go over and click on your file. So we're going to look for, you can see where I saved it with my national ID WPS. So I'll go over and select it, my national ID WPS. I click on it. Alright, so as you can see, it has submitted successfully. It says your information has been submitted. It says go to account limitations. So I'll click on, say your information has been submitted. Go to account limitations. So I'll click on go to account limitations. You can see number one, it says number one has been submitted, which is upload the photo ID. It says submitted. So the next thing for us to go is to go and resolve more information on your transactions. So all we have to do, so before we do that, let us go over and submit our bank statement. So let us click on bank statement. So click on bank statement and then say submit your bank statement. We need you to confirm ownership of your bank account. You will need to submit a recent copy of a bank statement of the account linked to your PayPal account. In the bank statement, your name and account number should be the same as in your PayPal account. The bank and ownership details must be legible in the statement. Your document should be password protected, and your document should not be older than 6 months. So you just go ahead and click add file. So you click on add file. So you click on file and then you look for it. You look for it. You look for the account statement. I think this is it. Is that it? Yes, that is it. So I'll click on it, account statement. So account statement, so that is it. So I'll click on submit. So once you see it here, it says completed. So I've submitted this one as well. So let's wait for the completion. So first of all, go to provide your business information. So I'll click on provide your business information. I'll click on it. So under your business information, you select your country. You click on country. So for me, I used a UK. This is a UK account. So I'll select United Kingdom. So for you, you can select any country, whether Lesotho or whether South Africa, you can select. Then your address is already there. For business category, I use computer accessories and services. You select, because that's what I use, computer accessories and services. Say what is the category. I say digital media books. No. For me, I'm going to put web hosting and design. Web hosting and design. So I will also come here and then I describe, I specialize in designing in hosting. I specialize in hosting a domain. In hosting a domain and designing a responsive. If your case is different, you can write whatever you wish. For me, this is what is applicable to my own. That's why I'm using this. I specialize in hosting a domain and designing a responsive website. A responsive website for my clients. So I wrote, I specialize in hosting a domain, and designing a responsive. Okay, I put it twice. In hosting a domain and designing a responsive website for my client. So after you've done that, you go over, cross-check your information, and then you come back and click submit. So after you make sure you have entered everything correctly, you come back and click submit. You can see submit. You click submit. So let's wait and see the message they will say. It say your information has been submitted. Go to account limitations. So click on go to account limitations. So let's wait for them. So you can see we still go back to the place again. So it says submit your bank statement. So I've submitted that. Say provide your business information. So I've provided that submitted. And it says provide more information on your transactions. So I'll click on provide more information. Click on it. Now it says provide more information on your transaction. We'd like to know more about your recent transactions done between October 27, 2020 and November 26. This will help us to improve your experience using PayPal. So you say if any items or service you are part of this transaction, provide their description and any supporting document. So I will just click on I will describe the item or service in the transaction. I will share more details about the transaction. So you can choose anyone. If you go for I will share more details about the transaction, then it says tell us in detail the purpose of the transactions. So I'll click on I'll click on so I will describe this transaction here. So I will say the purpose. So you can follow the purpose the way I used. I say the purpose of my transaction. The purpose of the transaction. The transaction. Alright, you can see what I input. I said the transaction done between October 27, 2023 and November 26, 2023 were services rendered to my clients and they have to pay me for either hosting a domain or designing a one-page website slash landing page for them, and I get paid. And I get paid by them. So I just have to grab that. So anything that is applicable to you, you can write whatever it is, describe the transaction, and then you if you have any supporting document, you can include any supporting document, but if you don't have, you can just go ahead and click submit. So you say before you upload any document, follow this instruction. Document must be valid and legible. Document shouldn't be password protected. So after inputting that, so I'll just go over and then I click submit because I don't have any document to prove because this is just a service that I rendered. So I'll just go over and then I click submit. So let's wait for them and see. Alright, you can see they logged me out. I don't know what the case is, but for the meantime, let me try and log in again. So they logged me out. I don't know. So let me just click on it again. Let me click on the resolve again. It said provide more information on your transaction. So alright, so after writing all those things, so let me just try and add just one document and see. So let me just try and add one document. I think this is the document. I think so. Not if they are accepting. So let me just click submit. Let me see what will happen now. They logged me out again. So alright, so I had to go back and then select services and then I input all the details and I select a document and then I click submit. So let's see if they can accept this. So let us see if they can accept this one because last time they logged us out. So let us see if they can accept this one. So Let us wait. All right, as you can see, it says your information has been submitted. So I've successfully submitted it. So we'll go back to our dashboard and see what they will tell us now. So I have submitted basically everything now. So I will just go over and then I'll click go to account limitation. So I'll click on go to account limitation. So all right, you can see it says you can see when you check this place. So when you check here, you will see it says completed. That is, I have completed uploading a photo ID, and here it says provide more information on your transactions, of which that is what I did now, and I have submitted it, and uh, uh, they are requesting okay, they requested that I submit more information on my transaction, so I have submitted it and it is under review. So you can see this one, it says provide your business information, and I have submitted it and it is also under review. So that is it. That is it, guys. That is the way you can. If your PayPal account got limited, that is the way you can just go over and do justice to it and get your account recovered. So I'm going to wait for I'm going to wait for them to send me a message on my email. So that's what I'll be waiting for. I'll be waiting for a message on my email to see if they are going to accept all I have uploaded. Alright guys, so you can see after submitting those information, you can see they have sent me a message and you can see what they said here. They said hi Mishak, he said your account has been restored. We reviewed the information you provided for reference ID blah 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 and have removed the limitation placed. You will now be able to access any feature that was limited before. We appreciate your patience in helping us resolve this issue. You can see uh, they have uh, they have removed the limitation. You can see I can now start to do transaction on my PayPal account. You can see that I can now access my PayPal account. It is no longer limited again, and I can start to use PayPal very well. So there is no issue. So with this message I have received, that means my account has been restored because I went over and submit those information. So go over, use this method I have shown you, and just upload all the information that is required. Those information that I have shown you, just upload them, and within some days you will get a message from PayPal that your account has been restored. So go over and use the same method I've used, and get your account restored as well. So thank you guys for following me till the end of this video. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to click the like button and subscribe, and I will deeply appreciate. Thank you guys for watching.